Hi, Rich Moyer again. In the previous video, we had an introduction to why you need to create a splash page to use with safe lists and solo ads and other email marketing. We've gotten through becoming an affiliate of Got Backup, and we also have joined the Build-A-Biz Online community here so that we can use these wonderful tools to create a template for yourself that you can replicate and just add more and more images to as you like. So you can create a whole library of splash pages that you can use to promote Got Backup. So the next thing we're going to do here in Build-A-Biz Online is to create a splash page template. Now the reason you want to do that is you want to you're going to copy the share code that I give you, or copy the template in using the share code I give you, and then go in and update that template with your URLs for your affiliate ID and your retail page. And then once we save that, all you need to do is go in and replicate your splash page template. You create a new page from that, and then you can change the images. So every time you want to create a page with a new image, you just go in, you replicate your splash page template, and then go in and edit your images. Put whatever image you want in there, change your header line, save it, and there you have a new splash page that you can use. So it's really that simple, and the hard part is just getting set up initially, and we're going to do that, and it's not really hard. It just takes a minute. So we're going to actually go into Build-A-Biz Online, and we're going to go to the Pro Member Tools. Now, all the way down the bottom, all the way down here in the Ultimate Build-A-Biz Online toolbox, you're going to click the Simple Splash and Capture Page Builder. All right, and that's going to give you a listing of all the splash pages or all the capture pages you have in there, splash pages and capture pages. And we will probably have a blank there, have nothing. Well, I'm actually going to go in there right now and give this a name like the GB splash page template. Now, this will be your template that you use. You're going to import my settings. You're going to update this with your information, and you're going to save it. And then all you need to do is create, share your splash page to create share codes for yourself, and then import the splash page to create a new one. So it's really simple to do once you set it up. Now we're going to create this splash page right now. The first thing it's going to do is ask you to go select a template. Now there's templates in Build-A-Biz Online already made. What we're going to do is click here at the bottom of the page. It was successfully named. We're going to click here to select a template. Now I want you to go all the way down to the bottom of the template manager and select plain old white, a blank template to add your own HTML code. Then you're going to click Update Template. And you see it's going to show that as your current template. So down the bottom of the page, we've updated our template. We're done on this part of the page. We can go back to Pro Member Tools. It's easier to do this, by the way. Rather than just manipulating through panels, it's easier just to start over and go right to the top of the menu to do that. So now we're going to go down to here your splash page template is in there. Now, what I need you to do is to import a splash page. All right. Now I'm going to give you the splash pages, my splash page ID and the password right here. In Build-A-Biz Online, I'm going to go in and select these. I'm using a multi-clipboard, by the way. That's Windows. The Windows V will bring up this. So you can have a multi-clipboard. It's in every Windows system. I'm going to retrieve the page settings. It says they're imported. Now we're going to go back in again. Again, it seems like we're just doing a lot of re-entry here, but it's cleaner to do it that way. That's why I do it. It brings a fresh copy in. All right, so here we are. We're going to go all the way down here to the bottom of the page, and there's where your template is. And the next thing we're going to do is click Settings. Now, since you've joined Build-A-Biz Online, you're automatically affiliate. There's no separate affiliate ID. I would update this right here. with your user ID for Build-A-Biz Online. All of this is set up. Now, I like to use full screen editing here when I do this, so I'm going to click this button right here to maximize. That gives me everything that I can see. Now, back in the instructions, remember we went up to right here and we collected our user ID. Well, I don't have it right in front of me, so I'm going to come over here to the Got Backup Reseller Tools. All right. And I'm going to copy my promo link. And then I'm going to come over here to Build-A-Biz Online. You see this right here? Just double click on click here and then paste what you just copied. Make sure that your target is set to a blank. All right. Next thing you're going to do is go to Got Backup and get your promo link, which is right here. Over to Build-A-Biz Online. Now you're going to right click this image and edit link. And then paste that in there. Make sure your target is blank. All right, that's all there is to setting up your template. Everything else is ready to go. So we're going to just click this, this little disk icon right here, and your template is going to be saved. That's all there is to importing and updating the template with your own information. Okay. Now we've gone through all of these steps right here. We've saved our template and we're ready to go. Now, one of the things I want you to do is when we go back to Build-A-Biz Online, Pro Member, back to our simple splash page capture, splash and capture page builder, come down to the template you just created, and I want you to click Share Your Splash Page. And when you do that, click this button, Publish your page, and you're going to get these numbers. I'm going to paste them in here. So let's go there and there. Now, this is just temporary storage, by the way. If you refresh this page, they're going to disappear. But this is a quick reference, so you can easily create your own splash pages from your template. Okay, and now I'm going to take you to the next video, which will show you how to retrieve your images.